How to add Passkey in Gate application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. A passkey lets you sign in using Face ID, fingerprint, or your device lock instead of typing a password every time on Gate. First of all, launch open the Gate application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. After you're signed in, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile picture. Inside your profile section, tap on your username from the top, and under the profile page, tap on security. Inside security, under authentication, tap on passkey. Then on the next page, tap on add a passkey at the bottom. And you'll then need to go ahead and verify your email or the Google Authenticator code. Click the send button right next to email verification code and go open up your email inbox for the registered email. Click open the email from Gate and you'll see a 6-digit verification code. You'll need to type this code inside the Gate application. Copy the code or manually type it down. Now, once you are done, go open up your Google Authenticator application or any other authentication you are using and click on the Gate code that has been created and paste it in inside Google Authenticator. Finally, click confirm and click on add passkey. This will scan your Face ID and then you have successfully created a passkey on your iOS device. If you're using Android, then you need to go ahead and scan your fingerprint or your screen lock pin or password. So after verification, your passkey will be saved automatically to your device. Try logging out and try logging back in to use your new passkey to make sure if everything works smoothly. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.